guys. I don't know how smart of an idea this is, but we're going to try to fly this thing. It's mighty windy out. But we'll see what we can do. That's the Micro Draco.
Showtime. Cap flaps. Flaps up.
Woo! It is windy up there. It's blowing about 10 miles an hour out of the northwest. It's 40 degrees, which means the wind chill is not good. Woo! Got a little gust there. I got my dead cat on the mic, so you probably can't hear the
Time
wind.
remaining 4 minutes.
Will have to be some interesting power on landing, because as soon as I turn it out of the wind, it's a gone. And the sorry thing is that wind's gonna have to make me probably cross the road to get an approach. So let's just right now start working on that. See if I can come in from this angle. It's almost just sitting still in the air. It is cold, cold, cold. As you can see it take off, that's no throttle taking off. Woo! Probably not the aircraft to pick to fly out here today, the Micro Draco. It's a good 12, 13 mile an hour wind. Oh my goodness, that's cold. If we can get an approach on the ground, we're gonna get it on the ground. Hey, we'll take it. New Year's Day flight. That is it for today. It is cold, cold, cold. We're gonna call that a day. It's too cold for this mess, guys, but we got a New Year's flight in. Just here at the house with the Micro Draco. But that is all she wrote. My hands are already numb. I can't feel the canopy to put it back on.
Time remaining 1 minute.
My goodness. I was gonna go to the club to fly, but I've decided I'm smarter than that. So anyway, Happy New Year's, boys and girls. Whew, goodness. Have a happy and safe 2025.